What is up, y'all? Not used to see me from this angle because I'm standing up. Anyway, so I know it's shitty lighting, but I'm not whipping out my ring light right now. It's just like too much. So we're gonna talk about how to turn your room into a studio apartment, because that's kind of what I did. So, welcome to mi casa. Yes, yes, yes. I know my bed isn't made, but like, yeah. It's like, okay, so tip number one for turning your room into a studio apartment would be, I think it'll look better if I turn the light on my phone. Let me see. Okay, so yeah, okay, so tip number one would be to kind of place your things. My brother's home from college, so just please don't pay that any attention. So anyway, so tip number one would be, from the door on, try to lay your things out along the walls furthest from the door, so that you seem, so like your room seems bigger, like having more space from where you enter, if that makes sense. I don't know if I'm making sense, but yeah, so basically have just an open space and try to put everything opposite to where the door is. If the door is here, put everything the opposite, so that you have a more open area. From the entrance on, you would have like an open space, and it feels like, huge. Not really, but kind of, you know? The next thing, we're gonna talk about this little couch I got here. It was $40. It's a blow-up couch, and it pulls out into a queen size mattress. So yeah, I mean, it's kind of like tacky but cute at the same time, because I could have a couch for $40, you know, and it has cup holders. How great is that? Also, decorate with some plants. I kill plants. This came from Dollar Tree, that plant right there. I bought the vase from Goodwill, real cute. Okay. That is a diffuser that I don't use, but I put on display because I don't use it. And so I made these little pictures. If y'all want to DIY, you know, like and comment and subscribe, okay, B? But yeah, I found these in the magazine, and oh, it looks so cute before. Oh my gosh, I hope I got a picture, because it was, my little clothes rack was over here, and I threw my little pink scarf on there, and y'all, it just snatched the room. It threw it together. Use storage in a small space, so like organize with height, so you know, get yourself a bookcase or whatever like that. So now we're moving past the bed, and I have my little DIY vanity. There was a mirror right there where those pads are, but I moved it and it's like thrown somewhere. And these two little faux plants are artificial plants, are from Walmart. I think they were like $2 each. Real cute. I like to organize this with like vases. These are from Dollar Tree. I think this was an old candle, and I think that one was from Dollar Tree as well. Moving on. Try to hide your cords. I have this under here because I like to blow dry my hair in the morning, charge my phone, my speaker, stuff like that. And so I kind of ran it from near my bed, so it's kind of out of the way and it's not sticking out. You know, it's kind of tucked away and hidden. Let's talk about this ottoman. Oh, this table and this chair from Five Below. $5. Can't beat it. This ottoman from Five Below. I know. From Five Below, y'all. Technically, it's $10 because this little cover was $5, and then the blow-up ottoman itself was $5. So it's technically a $10 ottoman, but you can't beat that. You can also section off your area in your room with a carpet. It just makes it feel more homey, and you know, add some textures and colors into the room. So there's kind of like a gray pink-ish vibe going on here. I have these green curtains because that's what I found in the garage. And they're sheer, so they let in a lot of light in the daytime. But yeah, this is a little living room area because the TV's there. I folded my clothes kinda, but I didn't like make all that look neat. But like, you know, organize with bins and stuff on your bookshelf. I also fold clothes and put it there. I have water down there, shoes, and just junk right there, because my windowsill is not big enough to hold all the stuff that I use damn near daily. Next, mirrors. Mirrors make your room feel way bigger, because it obviously mirrors the other side of the room, so it looks like an extension onto your room. It also adds light for when light comes in like through the window, and it just adds extra light, and it's just super cute and chic. And yes, okay, I have that old ottoman from college. It's like stained and everything, but it's, you know, it's really good because you can hide stuff. Boop, junk. There you go. I have this because I technically turned my room into a studio. That closet behind there is storage. It's like my little storage unit, so like I have bins and stuff in there. And here I just hang, like, you know, my work pants and like just stuff I would throw on every day. Hang my purse there, lunchbox, hat, accessories that I don't get to wear anywhere. Okay, so one good thing also to hide your mess. I'm not doing so well because like it's time for me to do a load of laundry, oddly, but I'm gonna let y'all in on a huge, oh, I can't zoom in. Oh, okay, I can. On a huge secret. You see these little bins at the bottom here? Boop, boop. These are fabric planters, and they are only $1, like 40. I bought them online for my plants when I was gardening, and I put them to use. But I put them to use here because this is usually not that full. It usually like hides all the mess. So I throw my dirty clothes in that one. I throw my shoes that I don't wear in this one, and it just makes it look so chic and just, gosh, y'all, it just blends in, and it's just so cute. And it's only $1.50 per one, and they are great. They're very, very durable. Let me just tell you that I found at Dollar Tree. This little wall thing, majig. It's real cute. That's from IKEA, because like, oh my gosh, I just love the city and I can't wait to move back. I found this at Walmart in the clearance section, and I just put my mail there. It's really good to put this on the back. You can hang jackets, towels, hats, whatever you have in bulk, so that you don't leave it on the floor. You can hang it up or put it on the side of your thing. This right here is from Dollar Tree. I did have to bend it a little, but it does fit over and over this door thing. I made it fit. Let me correct myself. I made this fit. It wasn't super difficult either to make it fit over there, over this little closet door. But yeah, this is from Dollar Tree, believe it or not. It's an extended like bar for kitchen cabinets, I think. I don't know, but that's from Dollar Tree. Oh, here's another mirror. This is from Dollar Tree. I need to go find 2 more because I want to have like 3 like stacked, boop boop boop, like that. I found this at Goodwill. It's so 90s, like it's 3D. I don't know if y'all can tell. Oh, you can. Okay, yeah, it's like 3D. It's just, oh my gosh, it's the best. And then that's Hey Arnold. I found him at Dollar Tree too. It's my version of Elf on the Shelf, because like if you know me, I am a Hey Arnold fanatic. I love Hey Arnold, and yeah, there he is. Y'all, that is kind of all I have to say. I hope you got some tips and tricks on how to turn your room into a studio. If you didn't have a couch, or you can't find a couch, just get a couple of these. Just get like maybe 3. Get 3 of those, put 1 there, 1 there, 1 there, and then you can get like a little carpet from Five and Below, or like Dollar General even. I did paint this room. It was quite a few different colors. This wall was green. This wall was like a mustard yellow. This one is blue, and then this one was already white. But I painted these 2 walls white because all the colors were kind of giving me a headache. And I also, these, I don't know what they're called, but whatever these are called, I spray painted these, this like shiny gold. I spray painted those, like each one. I wish everybody the best in 2019. Until next time, toodaloo.